Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Well, hi. Good morning. How are you this morning? On this Monday morning, it is the 11th day of February. Rich here at 4:02 a.m. And I'm glad you're here. We have an active weather week to talk about. If you read my weather blog yesterday, you know the Storm Prediction Center had much of the state in a severe weather risk for this storm system tomorrow. They've backed off on that a little bit, but still I think there will be a small window of some stronger storms. We'll look at that. Plus, there's that second storm system later in the week. Before this week is over, we'll look and see if there's any severe weather potential with that storm system. That one may be a little stronger, perhaps. And I'm kind of optimistic about the weekend forecast. We'll also look at that. And is there any sign of severe weather? We're always looking at the distant horizon, too. There's our next storm system on the map. You see that low and the frontal system out in Oklahoma and Texas? That's moving on eastward, and it's here tomorrow morning. For today, the showers in the forecast are a little disturbance riding well out ahead of the main storm system, so some scattered showers, especially by later on this afternoon and into the evening hours. I'll put the rain chances at 40% daytime and 50% by late tonight. Today's high 71. That's nice. Tonight's low 65. South winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour, becoming gusty tonight. Here's tomorrow morning at 6. You see the front nicking northwest Alabama and moving on eastward. Well, the Storm Prediction Center, for now, has taken the marginal severe weather risk out for tomorrow. It's got thunderstorms in the forecast. We'll continue to watch that to see if any of these storms are strong and maybe start to rotate. 8 o'clock in the morning, here's the rain coming into the I-65 corridor, and by 11:30 a.m., that looks like an active radar with showers and a few thunderstorms, maybe a couple of stronger storms in through central and south Alabama at that hour. Moving on eastward, and by 5 p.m., you see the back edge of the rain almost up to the I-65 corridor tomorrow. So on Wednesday, I think we start off in the 30s, pretty nice day, cooler day, but not too cold. Thursday at noon, I think we start the day off dry, but I think clouds will be increasing later in the day. Chance of rain by Thursday night. And here's Friday morning at 6 a.m., showing that frontal system just knocking on the door almost into northwest Alabama at that hour with showers and thunderstorms out ahead of it. Here's noon on Friday. Will some of the storms associated with this be strong, possibly severe? It's too early to say, although we're looking at something called CAPE or instability. We see some marginal instability ahead of the front, so too early to say whether that will be a severe weather situation. Cool sunshine follows on Saturday. I think we're in the 50s for a high. On Sunday morning, I think we start off in the 30s, but a pretty nice day. Perhaps upper 60s on Sunday. So let's review. Showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. We'll watch that situation carefully. 67 early in the day, then dropping off in the afternoon. We'll be in the 30s on Wednesday morning. Afternoon high, perhaps around 60 on Wednesday. Back to the 30s on Thursday morning. Showers and thunderstorms coming in late Thursday night into Friday. We'll have to watch that for possible severe weather. And then a cooler day on Saturday. So here's Monday night, February 18th. So this is about 8 days out there, or 7 or 8 days out there. We're looking at another frontal system that'll be moving into the state as well. So we have the next few cold fronts listed here on the European. The first one on Wednesday with a couple of mornings in the 30s. The second one arriving by the weekend with a couple of cool days. And then another one the following week. Late February, much below normal just north of us. Below normal temperatures here, so we're watching for any Arctic air. So far, nothing shocking showing up, at least for the next couple of weeks, knock on wood. Lots of weather anniversaries, big ones in the week ahead. We'll look at a big tornado anniversary tomorrow and the coldest day ever on Wednesday. Plus, there's other anniversaries later in the week as well. We're live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Did you see Bailey walk by a little while ago? She'll also be in the studio with us, and she does participate. You'll hear her in the background from time to time. And live on ABC 32 and CBS 8 this morning, Ryan Stidden and I are talking weather, and boy, do we have a lot to talk about on TV at 5:50 and 6:40, and then another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. When you are out and about, wherever you are, across the dial on 8 radio stations twice an hour, that's where you'll find my forecast on the Blue Water family of stations. Stay weather aware. I'll keep you up to date, and see you later.